Have you ever imagined this? In 3 minutes, a single person dies somewhere in the world. Globally, near about 1.19 million people lost their life every year, and near about 3.5 lakhs of them are two-wheeler riders. In India alone, in year 2023, near about 1.7 lakh people lost their lives in road accident, and 46% were the two-wheeler riders, means 80,000 people. Such a huge number of people died in a single year in a single country. Hey, myself Kayur Kamlesh Kala.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Anuja Bhangal. We are the students of Java English Medium School, Nandurbar, Maharashtra. Today, we are here to present our project based on the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat, which means self-reliant India.
Hello, everybody. Myself, Gargi Rajvi. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not just a slogan. It's a vision given by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, encouraging us to build an India that is strong, innovative, and independent in every field, from technology to daily life needs. The idea is to promote Indian innovations, local manufacturing, and house-grown solutions that reduce our dependence on foreign products. Keeping this vision in mind, we have designed our project, a smart helmet prototype, developed completely with the spirit of Made in India. In India, road accidents and unsafe driving are major challenges. Many riders neglect wearing helmet or monitoring their health while driving. Our smart helmet aims to solve these issues through innovation, technology, and awareness. Now, to demonstrate the working of our smart helmet, here I call upon our next teammate, Kayur, to explain further.
I am here to explain a prototype named as Smart Helmet. The problems due to which the accidents are caused are not wearing helmet, drowsy riding, and drunk driving. The solution we thought over that as prototype designed here, named as Smart Helmet, which promises us for the safe ride not just in India but all over the world, which is an indigenous life-saving innovation. First feature of our project is helmet detection. First of all, many riders do not wear helmet and fell prey for accidents off-road. So this is the solution over there. Means if the helmet is not worn, see now helmet is not worn, so the engine will also be off, and when we will wear the helmet, means for suppose the IR sensor will detect any object, means we have weared it, then only the engine will become on. Like you can see, helmet is yes, then engine is also on. This was the first feature of our project. The second function of our project is drowsiness detection. Means sometimes drivers sleep and get a prey for the accident. So we have made a special module in which this IR sensor will detect the sleepiness of the driver. Means if the driver closes his eye for more than 3 seconds, so it will start buzzing, make a sound, and also a red light will be displayed, and also it will be displayed on the screen alert. So the driver will be wake up due to the buzzers, due to the sound of buzzer. Then I will show you now the demonstration. Like count 3 seconds now. There are more than 3 seconds which the driver is closing his eye, and also buzzer is buzzing, and also the display is coming that the sleep is yes. So when I'll open my eyes, means then it will stop. Third feature of the smart helmet is drunk driving detection. Means most of the driver get drunk and they started driving and fell prey for an accident. But we have solution over that also. I have inserted MQ3 sensor in our smart helmet, which will detect the alcohol which is drunk by the driver, and will give the alert here. And also we can upgrade towards its upgraded version that if the driver is drunk, that the engine will not get started. Means it will be more safer. This was the third feature of our helmet. In conclusion, I would tell that today, the smart helmet is more than just a safety device which symbolizes Atmanirbhar Bharat by making rides more safer, not just in India, but all over the world. We are moving towards the Viksit Bharat 2047, the dream of every Indian. So let's move forward by making rides more safer and proudly as a member of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
A vision of confident, creative, and capable India. Let's rise high and make our India Atmanirbhar. Thank you.